Have you ever encountered a situation where you need to provide the total of a particular column but depending upon one or more criteria? In case if you need to do total on a column with exception or multiple exceptions, which generally is the real life situation, then Excel's SUMIFS function comes to rescue. Today in this video, we will see how we can use SUMIF and SUMIFS function in Microsoft Excel with help of some examples, so stay tuned. Hi, I am your tutor and welcome to my channel Learn in 5 minutes. So let's start. We have a table here which contains commission paid for different projects in different years and months, and we have few criteria on the basis of which we need to find the total of commission paid. The basic difference between SUMIF and SUMIFS is that SUMIF can handle only one criteria whereas SUMIFS can handle multiple. The maximum number of criteria that SUMIFS function can handle is 127, which I guess is more than enough. So let's start with our first task. Our criteria here is we need to find sum of commission where month is January. Since we have only one criteria here, we will use SUMIF. Our formula goes like equal to SUMIF open parenthesis. We need to provide the range of our criteria here, which is A2 till A101, comma. Our criteria here is January in cell G3, comma. Our sum range, which is E2 till E101, close parenthesis. And we got our result. Now let us verify with our table. And the result is perfect. Now let us move to another task. Our criteria here are we need to find sum of commission where month is June and year is 2014. Since we have multiple criteria here, we will use SUMIFS. Our formula goes like equal to SUMIFS open parenthesis. We need to provide the sum range here, unlike SUMIF where we had to provide the criteria range first. So our sum range is E2 till E101, comma. Our criteria range is A2 till A101, comma, and criteria is June in cell G4, comma. Our next criteria range is B2 till B101, comma, and criteria is 2014 in cell H4, close parenthesis, and we got our result. Now let us verify with our table, and the result is perfect. Now let us move to our next task. We have three criteria here. We will copy the formula from above and add the third criteria where our range is in project column from D2 till D101, comma, and our criteria is A4 in cell I5, close parenthesis. Let us verify our result. Even this is right. In our next task, we will be using wildcard and try to sum commission where the project are starting with D. We will just copy our formula from above and we got our result. We can even use our wildcard in starting. Let's change this to *1 and it works. So this could be good when we want to use partial value for our criteria. Let us move to our next task where our sum range is commission and it is also part of our criteria. And SUMIFS allows this. Let us check this in our task where in addition to other criteria, we even want only commission more than 5,000 should be included in the sum. Let us copy the formula from above and change the project criteria range from project column to commission column and change project criteria to commission criteria. And we are done. We only need to keep in mind that when we add comparison operators like greater than or less than, and if we are not putting them in cell like this and we are directly writing in the formula, then it needs to be in quotation. Alternatively, we can keep comparison operators in quotation and concatenate our number with ampersand. One tip before we conclude this video, I will suggest you to always use SUMIFS even if you have only one criteria, because SUMIFS is even capable of handling single criteria. So you don't have to choose between the two formulas and even you will start getting hang on some ifs. So that's all in this video. If you found this video useful, please like and share with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, do it right now and press the bell icon besides the subscribe button so that you don't miss on any new videos that I upload. Thanks for watching.